Happy Thanksgiving and welcome to our next video forecast. The teachers this morning in their devotions gave thanks for many things, and among them was the work they're able to do. And this August, when we were working through plans for the year, we as teachers did a couple key things that I would like to draw to your attention as you consider the things you give thanks for, hopefully among them the opportunity to send your kids to a Christian school. So the first thing we worked on as staff is a redesign of our core values. I'd like to read those for you just so that we can together reaffirm why it is we do what we do in a Christian school. The first of our three core values, and these fit with our belong, believe, succeed, that you know well. This is a few more words attached to that. We as teachers will pursue belonging by accepting, valuing, and respecting students, colleagues, and others, and by being intentionally present with students. That's belonging. And the second is about that believe thing that we do. We will pursue believing by embracing a sense of God-inspired wonder and by pouring God's grace and goodness into the lives of students, colleagues, and others. And that third piece is, of course, the succeed part of our mission. We as teachers will pursue success by recognizing the goodness and the giftedness in every student and colleague, and by encouraging grit and growth in ourselves and others. So that's one thing we did in August. The second thing was each of us that is employed in this school worked at either recrafting or designing from scratch a personal mission statement. And it was exciting to see those take shape. And I'd just like to share a couple of them with you as an example of what really drives our teachers. So here are a couple that I just pulled out today. The first is Mark Flutes, a guy who teaches math and music in our school. His mission statement goes like this. Mark says, "I will seek to extend God's love and grace with students and colleagues. Together with students, we will wonder at the beauty and order in God's creation while developing wisdom and character." And the second one I pulled out is from one of our new teachers this year, Beth Taddison, who writes this as a mission. "My goal is to help my students uncover the trail of breadcrumbs embedded in every realm of creation, and follow that trail to our infinitely creative and orderly God who is just waiting to be found." I thought those were quite beautiful, and all the others also are quite beautiful. And they will appear on the walls very soon. Now, we, several years ago, put these on the wall, so I want to challenge, I know I'm talking mostly to parents, but to those students who catch this, I want to challenge our students to go around the building and find the ones that are currently up. And if you tell me exactly how many are up in classrooms right now, you get that number correct and you're the first one, there might be a lunch card waiting for you. How's that for incentive? They will all be up very soon. So what are we giving thanks for this Thanksgiving season? Well, we give thanks for an increasing number of families that desire to partner with a Christian high school in the education of their children, and a crew of teachers driven by their own God-given passions who are eager to partner with those families. So please keep praying for us as we continue these valuable partnerships.